How's it going? We're back, Motorsports International. We're in the service department. It's another mint video. I'm Jake. We're gonna do a tech tip for you. We're gonna be doing tech tip on tire removal / tire mounting. You ask, how do you guys do it so easy? I'm struggling. Tire irons are hitting me in the face. I'm going to the hospital. I need stitches in my eye. We'll give you an inside look. We'll give you a tech tip on how we do it so quick and easy. So what do we use? What's our secret weapon here at Motorsports International? Well, it's from Pearl Honda. Honda Polish. This stuff works amazing. We use it for removal, mounting. All you do, spray it around the bead, flip the tire over, spray it around the bead. Do it with the tire still on the rim, easy to pop it off the bead. And then when you're putting it back on, spray it around, it slips right on. It's like butter, baby. Just boom, 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 you're on. You're back out riding. As always though, if you're not comfortable doing your own tire changes, we have a full service department here. Josh can get you back on the road. We do tire changing, tubes, mounting, balancing, everything you need to stay safe, get back on the road. So the secret weapon this week for our tech tip is the Pro Honda Polish Spray and Clean Polish. This stuff is amazing. We always got it in stock. We'll see. Catch you next time. Keep it mint.